What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We are in an apartment today, and obviously you guys can see we got a couple plug sinks. What we're gonna do is plug up the sinks to make sure no water comes out. We're gonna remove this P-trap. We're gonna put our trap arm in so that we can snake it, and then we're gonna pull it back and see what we got. It's most likely gonna be grease buildup, and then we will test it out. So let's get this set up and get this taken care of. All right. So first things first, we're going to take this, we're going to plug up this sink. And then we're going to take this, and we're going to plug up this sink. Yep.
You can give me a call, okay?
No problem. All right, thanks a lot. Make sure those stay in there. So you guys can see, still plugged. This is the trap arm I built, I made. Other companies have them, but I just decided to make my own. Put a hole in it, put a coupling around it so that it doesn't grab. We're going to be using a Milwaukee M12 today. Looks like there's a little crack in this pipe here. We'll have to replace that. I don't know if the rags I put in there are holding. I don't see that they're holding. There's just a lot of water in the line. That just might be a scratch, actually. Okay. Perfect. Set. Remove that. put our trap arm on. Tighten this up. And then, like I said, we're going to be using the Milwaukee M12 with drop head. Drop head. So this company that we're here for does have maintenance guys, and they don't really know what they're doing. I'm not going to say all of them, but some of them. Because that blockage was less than 10 feet away. Spin it in, spin it out. There you go. Now we're going to take this off, and then we're going to see how it drains. If I can ask you guys for a favor, if you guys are liking this kind of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed and you like this kind of stuff, I make videos like this all the time. Subscribe. You'll get to see more. All right, now let's test this. Get a good light in here. Hold on. That's a good sound. All right, one sink down, one to go. Cup, strainer, cloth, spin, whirlpool. See, everything's good. Let's do a quick pan. I'm going to be honest with you, this unit has that smell. Yeah, I don't know. I want to thank you guys for watching. Till next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Clog now.